A look at the new subway cars today, with the MTA displaying trains with doors between the cars. They're called gangways, and no more trying to walk between cars by trying to open the doors of fast-moving subways. New York Governor Hochul was there, and she wasn't shy about doing some verbal battle with her colleague from New Jersey, Governor Murphy, about his legal fight against congestion pricing. With the story, here's Kimberly Richardson.
There's a new kid in town. The 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗢𝗪 is now rolling through New York City's subway system. It is unique. The open gangway design replaces doors between cars with accordion dividers every 65 feet. That means you can now seamlessly walk from here.
It feels great. It's very smooth.
And as Governor Hochul demonstrated, to there.
I'm actually scared to go through the door, the old one, so I think this is way better.
The MTA considers this the train of the future. Right now, only 2 are operating on the C line, but big picture, transit wants more. For that and other projects to happen, something else must be in place.
That hinges on the continuation of the plan to go forward with congestion pricing without further delays.
Caused by our neighbors across the Hudson, specifically MTA Chairman 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗢𝗪 says New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy. He and other officials have filed what Lieber calls frivolous lawsuits that could derail this and other projects.
It's not just Second Avenue subway and all those additional accessible stations that need to be funded by congestion pricing. It's modern signaling so folks in Far Rockaway and Washington Heights and Brownsville can have the same quality of service as folks on the L train have.
Public hearings on congestion pricing begin at the end of the month.
It'll happen. I mean, we get sued every day. I say get in line. Get in line behind the cannabis people. Get in line. I mean, it's just our realities.
Another new feature on these trains, something everybody's been pushing for, surveillance cameras are actually built in.